In just one generation, we've come a long way in improving people's lives. But the health of our ecosystem hasn't kept pace with this progress. It's time to reverse the damage and heal our planet. Turning things around will take a global movement. A movement catalyzed by the United Nations Decade on Ecosystem Restoration. Over the next 10 years, every concerned citizen will work to prevent, stop and counter the effect of environmental degradation on every continent and in every ocean. Become a part of Generation Restoration. Register for a free massive open online course on ecosystem restoration offered by the United Nations Development Programme and the Convention on Biological Diversity. In this two-part 8-week course, you'll begin your journey towards creating a blueprint to renew natural resources and biodiversity. Based on the short-term action plan adopted by countries under the Convention on Biological Diversity, this course will teach you to develop a step-by-step ecosystem restoration roadmap. Finally, you'll join a community of practice committed to transformative change for a sustainable future for all. Don't miss your chance to make an impact and contribute to the achievement of the post-2020 Global Biodiversity Framework. Get started on your tailored pathway to restore our world. Register today.